Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Cross Roads, Jamaica. Now as you can see, this is a very busy area. On the right you have a lot of shops, on the left you have the Silver Slipper Plaza, and then beside the Silver Slipper Plaza on the left you have the Hilo supermarket, Hilo Crossroads, and also the head office for Crossroads. Head office for Hilo. And of course you always have these motorbike riders who can never ride within the flow of traffic, always have to cut in and out or ride on the outside. So Crossroads now is geographically in the center of the city of Kingston. On the right you have a lot of wholesales, haberdasheries, a lot of Chinese operated stores basically. On the left is the Hilo food store. Okay, so on the left now, that tall building on the left, that is the Crossroads tax office. Straight ahead is the Azan Supercenter, and that used to be the Regal movie theater. They don't have much movie theaters left in Jamaica. They are not, well, we have only one set of movie theaters, and I think one drive-in. What's the name of that company? There's one company left that operates the movie theaters. They also operate the drive-in. They operate one in Sovereign, Ligoni. They operate Carib. They operate the New Kingston Drive-In, which is the only drive-in operating in Jamaica. And they operate a movie theater in Portmore, Palace Amusement. But there used to be a lot more theaters and a lot more drive-ins in Jamaica, but over time they've just closed. So on the right is the St. Joseph's Teachers College, and on the right, before we got to the Teachers College, was the Nut Hall Hospital. So up here now you have a lot of car dealerships. You have KIG, which is the Ford dealer, the Subaru dealer, the Jeep dealer. Then on the right you have Suzuki or Automotive Arts. And then when you turn left here now, this is Oxford Road. You have a lot more car dealerships on Oxford Road. But we're going to stay on Old Hope Road and head up to the Ligoni area. So if we turn left here, we go on Oxford Road. Turn right, we go on Tom Redcombe Road. And if we turn left, Oxford Road will take us to New Kingston. And if we turn right, Tom Redcombe Road will take us to downtown Kingston. Or take us to the Crossroads area. So these buildings now, on the left, the taller building, both belong to NCB. There used to be Mutual Life. It used to be the Mutual Life Towers. You have the North Tower and the South Tower. And that tower, the lower of the two, actually has a helipad for helicopters to land. So at this intersection now, if we were to continue straight or veer right, veer right, we would stay on Old Hope Road, but we're going to veer left and go on Lady Musgrave Road. So at this intersection, if we were to go straight across, we'd go onto Trafalgar Road, but we're going to turn right and go and stay on Lady Musgrave Road. So that's the AC Hotel on the right. So we're turning left here and staying on Lady Musgrave Road. If we were to go straight, we'd go into Montrose. Actually, let's go straight because there's so much traffic. So we're actually on Montrose Road now. And straight ahead is Vale Royal, which is the official residence of the Prime Minister, but the Prime Minister doesn't live there. He lives up in Beverly Hills. But that's the official government residence of the Prime Minister. Back in the day, the Prime Ministers used to live there. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the video, and also if you have anything else to add, you can let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.